Today we're going to talk about prime numbers. Now a prime number is a number that has exactly two factors. Those two factors are always 1 and itself. Now a composite number is a number that has more than two factors. So if there's anything that we can multiply besides 1 and itself, it's composite. So let's just talk about a few examples. The first number I want us to talk about is the number 2. What are the factors of 2? 1 times 2. So the only factors of 2 are 1 and 2. So there's exactly two factors. That makes this number a prime number. Now the number 3. 3 has 1 times 3. There's nothing else besides 1 and 3. So the fact that there's nothing that you can multiply to get to it besides 1 in itself means it is a prime number. Now let's talk about the number 4. We've got 1 times 4, but that's not it. There's also 2 times 2. So the fact that there's something besides 1 in itself, it doesn't matter what it is, but the fact is there's something besides 1 in itself makes it a composite number. Okay, the number 5. 1 times 5. Is there any way I can multiply, or is there anything else I can multiply to get to 5 besides 1 and 5? No, there's not, so that would mean that it is a prime number. The number 6, we have 1 times 6. And is there anything else? Yes, there is. There's 2 times 3. Again, there's something besides 1 in itself. The fact that there's something besides 1 times 6 means it has to be a composite number. The number 7, 1 times 7. Is there anything else I can multiply at all to get to 7 besides 1 and 7? No, there's not, so that means 7 is a prime number. Okay, what about the number 8? 1 times 8. And 2 times 4. So there's something besides 1 and 8. Okay, this fact that there's 2 times 4, that means that there's more than just two factors. Because 1, 8, 2, 4, that's 4 factors. So again, that makes that a composite number. Okay, let's talk about some special cases. Let's think about the number 1. What are the factors of 1? We have 1 times 1. That's the only way to get to 1. So the factors of 1, we just have 1. So how many factors does it have? Just 1. So does that fit the definition of prime? No, it does not, because a prime number has exactly two factors. 1 only has 1 factor. So what about composite? Composite says it has to have more than 2 factors. 1 only has 1 factor. So therefore, that means that we know 1 is not prime and it's not composite. So that's why we say, 1, you're so special, because it's not prime and it's not composite. Okay?